Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make all text boxes the same size in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now I am select multiple text box, press and hold the shift on our keyboard and select one by one. Then go to the format menu. Then select the size and properties drop down menu and we can see here the size, height and weight. Now I am select. You also make this check mark of the lock aspect ratio. Then select the height. Now I am make the height 10. You can make another. Now I am height 2 and the wide is 2. Then press enter. You can make 4. Then close the panel. Now we can see we make the all text boxes size same size very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.